Hey, today I'll show you how to schedule an email on Yahoo Mail, and actually that's pretty well simple. So what I'm going to do now, I just have to open my Yahoo Mail app, which is actually the first one. I will open it and let's compose a new email for the sake of this video, and I will send it to myself. You have to send it to somebody, okay? At subject, I will place a test subject. And at the description, test description, just write this email as usual. And now, instead of pressing on the send button from the top right corner, you'll find 3 dots right beside it, okay? And I will select schedule for later. And now I can select the date. Today is 21 June. I will send it, I don't know, 25 June at hour, not 8 in the morning, maybe 6 p.m. 18, okay? If you want to edit the day, press on the day. And if you want to edit the hour, press on the hour. Once you're done, press on schedule message, and this message was scheduled for 25 June at 6 p.m. So this was how to schedule an email on Yahoo Mail. I hope it was helpful and I hope you have a great day.